Hi, I'm Ash. I am a mortgage advisor. Before attending here, I was buying leads from online providers, and they were quite expensive. So I've joined the academy and the Business Accelerator, and hoping to obviously generate my own strategy and marketing that I've been learning through the past few days. Obviously, by implementing those, definitely it will have. I can see the results already. So yeah, the biggest thing I've learned was how to use the Facebook targeting and Facebook getting the audience. That's been the key for me, because you could be making an ad, but it's just going to everyone and anyone. But here, like, I can target whoever I is in my industry, whoever I need. Basically, I can get to them. So that's been like a big thing for me. I would definitely recommend anyone joining the Business Accelerator. It's really really good. It's not only attending is what you one is what you learn. Secondly, is the people that you meet along the way, the friendship that you make. It's like a family here.